When you receive your box, start by removing the banding and the lid. It is recommended to have 2 people lift the item due to the weight. Unpackage all of the loose items, then break open the box and slide the base out. We recommend laying out all of your parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. When you begin assembling, start by connecting the sensor wire in the right arm to the right side of the base. Make sure to align your pins and check you hear a click. Feed the arm onto the base, making sure not to trap your wire. Secure the arm using 2 Allen head bolts and 2 arc washers on the back, and 2 Allen head bolts and 2 flat washers on the side. Then repeat this on the left hand side. Next, place the console on top of the arms and connect the sensor wire on the right hand side. Make sure the console slots fully down onto the frame. Make sure not to trap your wire. If you are struggling with this, you may need to loosen the bolts at the bottom of the frame. Secure the console down using 1 Allen head bolt and 1 arc washer on the front, and 1 Allen head bolt and 1 flat washer on the side. Repeat this on the other arm. To level your treadmill, turn the feet by the transport wheels clockwise to raise them and anti-clockwise to lower them. When assembly has been completed, now release the security lock on the right hand side of the base. Please note a screwdriver is not provided within your tools pack. Now turn on the machine and attach the safety key. When you first power on your treadmill, you may hear a slight knocking noise. This will be the join in the belt as it has been freshly manufactured and will smooth out with use.